So my friend Ryan is going to be putting her slime in the microwave because that's her slime. And this is my slime. Little difference, yeah. So she's just going to try to put it in the microwave. I have no idea what's going to happen.
Yeah, we both don't know what's going to happen, Ashley.
Yeah. Because she used like Tide for it and you used borax, so it might turn out differently.
Borax.
I'm really scared.
Borax.
Oh my god, I just saw spiders.
One. I can like barely reach it.
It's kind of hot.
It's really stretchy now.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm doing that. Okay, I'm putting
It smells
mine.
really bad though.
I don't really care. I don't smell my things, by the way.
Yeah, you do. You smelled your squishies before.
Yeah, I was just wondering. I didn't know.
Oh, this feels so good. And it's so sweet.
1 minute!
1 minute? When did you ruin it? You did it wrong. It's this, that.
Oh.
I know, it's really confusing.
Yeah, it is. I'm like, 1 minute!
I know, that happens to me all the time.
Can't reach it.
I can.
Turn. Oh.
Ow.
Are you okay?
No, you can't reach it. You can't turn it either.
Ooh, take it out.
No, Ashley, that's not going to work. It's not hot.
That feels so good.
How are you?
Yeah.